Jeffrey Hammond. Or Jeffrey Hammond, 120 of 186, the all-time best rock bassists, 33 of 74, the best rock bass player of the 1970s. Section 25. Albums from the Hip Part Primitive, The Night Watch Bonus Disc, Illuminous, Illumina, Retrofit, The Key of Dreams. Chris Lowe. Albums, The Most Incredible Thing. Ian Stuart Donaldson. Alfie Boe. Skrewdriver. Skrewdriver. Nash. Nash. Robert Smith. Jethro Tull. Albums, Aqualung, the Jethro Tull Christmas album, Thick as a Brick.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.